Alright, so quick update on those RAM chips that I got for 20 quid. So I bought all of these for 20 quid, including a bunch of dodgy CPUs as well. So I've now just organized them. This is a whole bunch of old RAM, like SDRAM, DDR1, which is like all under 512 meg, which is just completely useless. So I'm going to give these to the kids to play with and then eventually put it in the bin. These are DDR1 RAM chips. This one's 1 gig. These here are 512, and then these are DDR2. These are all 512. What about, I don't know, 8 of them? And then these are all 1 gig, and then this is the 2 gig one. Even that's still only DDR2. And then thankfully I had one at least DDR3, and that is 1 gig. So yeah, completely not worth it. The only one out of all of these that I would have actually bought was this one, because I don't plan on using any motherboards with DDR2. So got all of these DDR2s, that DDR1, which I might actually just get rid of actually. Do you know what? Yeah, these are DDR1. I'll get rid of them as well actually. So stick those in that pile. Get rid of those, and then just keep these DDR2 and DDR3s. Even though I don't have any intention on doing anything with DDR2s, so it just hurts me to scrap these. Maybe I might list them on eBay or something. I don't know. Yeah. So anyways, that's the update on the RAM chips. Total waste of money, but the good thing is I learned about RAM. I didn't know anything about RAM when I bought those, and I just saw a whole bunch of RAM sticks and I just thought, oh, that'll be a good deal. Surely it's worth it. But now I know I won't get duped again. I actually now know as well. I've learned about how to identify based on the indents what it is, because most of them they just say that, and that doesn't mean anything to me. So, but then Crucial, who I've bought RAM and SSDs from before for my XPS and my Apple Mac, then they're always so good. They always put like, you know, DDR3 on it and stuff like that. So I like this company, nice company. But yeah, so I won't make this mistake again. I will only be buying DDR3 or DDR4 RAMs at Car Boosters from now on. Cool, so that's the update.